Good morning, children, and welcome back to Vidyanagar Public School's online class. Today, we will learn a bit of grammar. You know, perfect tenses, right? Yes, perfect tenses always shows actions that are already completed or completely done in the past, right? And you know the form of perfect tenses. Perfect tenses will always be followed or preceded by a helping verb, and it will be followed by a verb in its past participle form. And the last class I have already taught you about past participle of the verb, right? Yes, go, went, gone means gone is the past participle of the verb go, right? So the third form of the verb will be coming in the perfect tenses. Have finished, has finished, had finished. So these are the sentences in perfect tenses, right? Today we are going to learn about present perfect tense and past perfect tense. Do you know the difference? Yes. Let's see what is present perfect tense. In present perfect tense, that tense will talk about an action that was completed at an unspecified or indefinite time in the past. Unspecified or indefinite time in the past. We'll see an example. I have seen this movie earlier. So we are not specified of the time at which or time in which she saw that particular movie. We don't know. She was just mentioning that in some time in the past, right? Yes, I have seen this movie earlier. We are not aware exactly about the time when she saw this movie, right? Yes, that is present perfect tense. The action that was completed at an unspecified time in the past. So, what is the form of the sentence? Has or have plus past participle form of the verb, right? Yes. Here also I'll give you one more example. It is from your textbook. Rita has called Anna to a party. Rita has called Anna to a party. That means Rita called Anna at, at some time in the past. We are not specified about the time. Anna called Rita. That is what we are understanding, but we are not aware when and at where she called. Right? Anna has been called or invited for a party by Rita, right? So that is present perfect tense. So let's see what is past perfect tense. Past perfect tense will talk about an action that took place in the past before specific point of time or another past action. What is that? Yes, this is actually an action that took place in the past before specific point of time or another past action. I will show you an example, then you will understand. I had seen this movie before it was released in India. I had seen this movie before it was released in India. So we are getting a specific point of time that uh, when this particular film got released in India. Before that, she saw this movie, right? So we are getting a specific or in identifying time. Then we are saying that we saw this particular movie before that specified time, right? Yes, I had seen this movie before it was released in India. This is past perfect tense. So I hope you understood both. Now we will see what is present perfect continuous tense and past perfect continuous tense. You see, in the first sentence in your textbook, page number 115, Anna has been thinking about a gift for Nana Mary for a while now. Or we can say Anna has been thinking about a gift for Nana Mary since morning. So that means the sentence we understand it describe an action of waiting, right? She is waiting or she is thinking, action of thinking that has been happening over a period of time and leading up to the present moment. Still, it is not completed. That is present perfect continuous tense. And what about past perfect continuous tense? Yes, past perfect continuous tense. We use this tense to describe an action that continued over a period of time up to the point in the past. See, for example, he had been cooking for over 2 hours when his friends began to arrive. കൂട്ടുകാർ വരുന്നതിന് മുന്നേ വരുന്നു തുടങ്ങുന്നതിന് മുന്നേ അവൻ 2 hours മുന്നേ കുക്കിംഗ് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടേയിരിക്കുകയായിരുന്നു എന്നാണ് ആ വരിയുടെ അർത്ഥം. മനസ്സിലായോ? He had been cooking for over 2 hours when his friends began to arrive. ഇതാണ് past perfect continuous tense. We don't worry, we will discuss all these things more in our live session. So I request all of you to come for the live session today at 7 p.m. Okay, till then, take care guys.